Here's how to activate your SiriusXM subscription or new service. So the first thing you need to do is go to your car and park somewhere that you have signal. Then go to Source, Satellite, or SiriusXM. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to tune to channel 0. So once you are on satellite channel 0, you will have a radio ID that shows up on the screen. The radio ID that's presented on your screen should be a combination of letters and numbers. Now that you have your radio ID, you just need to request a signal to activate it. Get on a smartphone or a computer and pull up Google. Then search for SiriusXM Request a Signal. This will present you with a website that will allow you to request an activation signal to your radio to activate your new subscription. Make sure you are parked outside so you have plenty of signal, and make sure you give them the correct ID and you will be fixed very soon. Once the subscription is updated, you will get a pop-up on your radio that says your subscription has been updated. Hope that helps you. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.